How to log into Minecraft if you forgot your password. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to log in into your Minecraft account if you have forgotten your password. The simple solution is to reset your password. So for that, you need to open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in minecraft.com.net and log in into your account. So this is going to direct you to the official web page. Tap on the sign in button from the top right hand side corner. So basically what you'll have to do is, in order to log in into your account, first of all, you need to go ahead and enter in your Mojang account details, that is your email address associated with your Minecraft account. So type in the email address that's associated with your Minecraft account. And for the password field, you can just simply go ahead and tap on forgot your password. Now this is going to take you to the other interface where it's going to show you a list of information, a detailed information. So basically, to reset your password, you need to provide in the email associated with your Minecraft account, and it's going to send you a reset link or the password resent. So tap on request password resent, which is right at the bottom. Now you'll need to verify some sort of puzzle in order to confirm that you're human. An email has been sent, so go ahead and open up your email and check whether the verification or the reset link has been sent to you or not. So basically what you'll have to do is, after you receive the reset link, open up your email and tap on the reset link, and once you tap on it, it'll allow you to reset a password. So basically you have to reset your password, and for the confirmation, type in twice. As soon as you've done that, the password will be updated, and now you can log in with your updated password. So that's basically how you can reset your password on Minecraft. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.